What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be doing a flip cup with magenta, violet, titanium white, and then we're going to have some silver accents. Now there's not any silicone in any of these colors, and all these paints are mixed 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. And with that, we are going to start layering this cup. The silver is going to be used for just accents at the end. So let's start with a nice deep magenta here. Then, just like I always do, a little bit of contrasting color between these two because they're fairly dark. Let this churn through, maybe? Yeah, churn through the white. Create some of those gradients that we really love. I'm just right now letting pretty much all the colors churn. This is going to create some bubbles that you'll have to pop that would... They're going to kind of look like cells, but they're not. So right now we're just creating the line work for the canvas by letting these paints layer and push through each other and tug. As you can see, it is creating those bubbles we were talking about. Sometimes if you drag the stream over them, it pops them. Sometimes it just pushes to the point where it breaks that surface tension of the bubble and will cause it to pop. All right. Really enjoy doing these videos with you guys. Let's get the remainder of this violet out. All right, and there's no oil in this, so I'm not too concerned with paint rejecting from the canvas. All right, let's see. All right. A nice little flip. Let that paint kind of settle down. And then create a cool little wave. Now with the silver this time, last time I used my little dotting tool. This time I think I'm just going to let it drip off the stick and create some abstract line work. Trying to keep the stream steady and interesting. And of course, whatever's in the middle is what you're going to see the most of, because some of the stuff towards this outside edge is just going to roll under. I definitely wanted bigger lines than the gold that I did previously. All right. I think we're doing all right. We got a little bubble right there. And that one's gone. All right. I think we're ready, you guys. I think this is going to look pretty cool, actually. Very excited about this one. Oh wow, that is cool. And we still have a spot over here that needs some love. So I'm gonna take just a little bit of this extra I have that dripped out of the cup, touch it up and give it just a nice light spin. That looks so cool though. Almost looks organic, like veins or a tree. I really like that. And that silver is really shiny. Wow. Well, let me get you guys down here, we'll check it out. So I have the flash on so you can see those lines of silver a little better. So they don't really show up in camera too well. But the silver adds this really cool dimension to it. I already love the layers from the flip cup. I can't wait to see what this looks like dry.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.